Hello traders, welcome back. Trader Tom here from Simply Forex. Now, what if I told you you could trade against trend and make a profit? Well, we're going to look at an example of just that. And if you stay till the end of the vid, guys, I'm also going to give you all of my trade ideas for today as well. So stay tuned. So let's take a look at this trade, guys, right? You can see euro pound. This was my entry, this was my stop loss, and this was my take profit, right? So these are the trades I put in the Trading Academy every single day, right? Now I'm going to remove this so we can look at the chart. Now this was a trade that was against trend. And when I say against trend, I mean against the daily trend. I would say like 99% of the time, I trade with the daily trend. So why did I take this trade against the daily trend, right? So let's take a look, guys. So this is the daily chart, right? And you could see price was trying to build up here and then price broke back down. And we've been in a downtrend ever since, okay? Even broke this low here. So we're in a downtrend. There's no ifs and buts about that. But at this level down here, right, we are a little oversold, right? And there's not much value in selling it here, right? And ever since we've hit that oversold level, just look at the buyers come into the market. Look at that candle, right? That is a purely buying candle. And then we also get this candle that breaks this area of support and resistance in here, and we'll look at this more detail on the H4, right? Now when it breaks this grey zone, when price breaks this grey zone, there's a strong possibility that price will make it to the next area of support and resistance, the next grey zone, right? So if you look at this area here, you can see these lows over here. This proved to be good support, and it will, probably be good resistance as well. So we were just aiming to take price to that blue line, okay? And that's exactly what happened. All right, so there's some of the reasons on the day chart that we could trade against trend, right? Bullish candles, broke a key level, had room to move to the next key level of resistance. Now, if we combine that with H4 structure, we've got a high probability trade, right? Now you can see here H4 trend, it's just ranging, popped down, but then just shot back up. And at this point here, this candle here is the point we got a H4 structure break. We broke all of these highs, all right? And that was that grey zone on the daily chart. And what I really like here, guys, is we're above the moving average 20 now. And look how price bounces off that moving average 20. It's really good dynamic support in this case. Okay, and then price just, retraced back into this grey zone. So what was once resistance becomes support. This is such a great setup in the market, right? It really is. So always look for these setups. What was once resistance becomes support. We can enter. All right, so H4 was with us, but it was actually the H1 that I entered on, right? Because we got this nice bullish candle, right, that reacted at our area of support, right? So we saw a nice bullish reaction, and then it gave us a really nice retrace. Look at this candle here that retraced. So it retraced. I got in at 8,417. I wanted to hide my stop below here. So I put my stop in here and then took price back up to that blue line and that next area of resistance. I got roughly 1:1. That's sort of the minimum we're looking for. And I ended up closing 100% in the end at this level because it was Friday. I closed 80%, then closed another 20 back up here. All right, guys. So that is a trade against daily trend that was profitable. And the reason for that is we had many reasons to take the trade. Your job as a trader is to look for confluence, and that is reasons to take the trade. And we had enough good reasons to take euro pound buys. All right, guys. So that was the trade I took Friday. Now what we're going to do now is show you all of my trade ideas for today. Okay, So let's get stuck straight in. The first trade idea is Euro Swiss franc. And before I show you my trade idea, guys, if I could ask everyone to please subscribe to the channel, if you're enjoying the analysis and the trades. Also, guys, smash the notification button and smash the like button. Also, guys, if you want to speak to like-minded traders, have a chit chat, share ideas, then please come join our free Discord channel. Also, guys, if you would like more than that, you would like my trade signals, like the euro pound trade, you would like access to numerous tutorials, and you would like direct access to me, you can ask me questions, then please come join our VIP Trading Academy. Right, Euro Swiss franc. So we're going to start with the day chart, guys, because like I say, daily gives me my direction. Okay, and you can see we were in an uptrend, right? But price started hovering at that level, and then bang, we got a structure break, right? As soon as we broke this low, we are in a downtrend. Okay, so if we zoom in now, you can clearly see we had a nice big bearish candle that broke this low and closed below the moving average 20. All right, generally speaking, if we're below the moving average 20, I'm looking for sells. If we're above it, I'm looking for buys. All right, and sellers are still in control, right? I know we've had a bullish candle here and a bit of a doji, but look at that candle. Sellers are still in control here. So the idea is to continue this downward trend back down to this psychological level of 6,000. So daily's telling me to sell. If we drop to the H4 now, arguably we've had an entry, right? Because this is the grey zone. You can see price reacted here previously, and it's now reacted again at this level, right? We've got the moving average 20 coming down as well. This is such a nice level for sells, right? And late on Friday, we had this bearish candle. Obviously, I'm not going to enter a trade last candle on a Friday, right? I just wouldn't do that. But now, this is the situation we're in. So potentially we could start trading this now, right? But what I'm going to do is wait for this, right? If you look at the H1, you can see we've had this kind of channel develop, right? Price is, respecting this channel so far. So what might happen is this guy's price comes up, tests these last highs, and then perhaps comes back down, and then we get a break out of this channel. If we get a break out of this channel, potentially these lows, I will start selling Euro Swiss franc. If it keeps respecting this channel and moving up, guys, then obviously I'm not interested. I want to see a breakdown, okay? So Euro Swiss franc is my first trade idea for sells. And then my next trade idea is New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Okay. Now on Friday, guys, US dollar was strong like bull, strong like Arnold Schwarzenegger, right? We saw lots of US dollar strength on Friday. And this US dollar strength didn't materialize into many trades, right? Euro, US dollar, pound, US dollar, we would still be going against trend, right? But the day chart on New Zealand US dollar, look at that, guys, right? That has broken down and broken a key level. If I show you the weekly chart, actually, this level through here, resistance, support, resistance, resistance, support. And look at that candle. That weekly candle has broken that level, come crashing through. And if you just follow weekly structure, right, we are now in a downtrend. Stopped making higher highs, always a red flag, and then prices come shooting down, right? If we go back to the day chart, this supports that idea, right? We are in a downtrend. Okay, maybe there's a bit more action than that, but we're in a downtrend, right? We're getting lower highs, lower lows, downtrend. We had a nice big, we got a couple of very bearish candles and broken this key support level. Okay, so the idea is to, if I zoom out a little bit, is just to take it down to the next psychological level, this 5950, if not further, right, to this 5,900 level. If we drop to the H4, what we want to see is this, guys, right? We want to see a retrace back to this level. Okay, so we can see on the H4, we're in a downtrend. We want to see a retrace back to this level. Okay, moving average 20 catches up. We get a nice bearish reaction, and then we can start selling New Zealand dollar, US dollar. All right, guys. So yeah, those are my trade ideas. Hope you've enjoyed the vid. If you have, please subscribe, like, and share. Have a great trading day, and I'll see you next time.